You should draw the altitude.
Exactly. So you should draw, especially in isosceles trap. Altitude, altitude. Look, as you can see, there are some ideas like this. So, for example, drawing altitudes in trapezoid that are repeated in many problems. So if you saw, for example, 5, 6, 7 past papers, then there are lots of ideas that are repeated like this. So
Yeah,
we
I
have,
think
and
so.
also this idea of double Pythagorean theorem. I saw this in also previous AMC problems. Okay, it is famous. Now let's do something. It says BC over AD. So I call this one x. If this one is x, this one is what?
X plus 2.
X,
Whatever.
x, x, x. This one is x,
Oh,
right?
this one's
Now consider this one y. This one is what then?
Y.
Exactly, because it is isosceles trapezoid, right?
Yes.
Okay, so BC over AD is what in terms of x and y?
It would be x over x plus 2y.
Exactly. So if we divide both numerator and denominator by x, this is 2y over x, right? So we should find y over x is what, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if we use double Pythagorean theorem, let's draw something first. Let me draw this out to this one. I want to use double Pythagorean theorem. So let's do something. Because here I want to use A, let's use this one. For example, let's call this one A, this one B, and this one A, this one. Okay? Then let's write BC over AD is what in terms of AB and Y?
BC over AD in terms of that would be A plus B over A plus B plus 2y.
Exactly. Good. Now, if we apply double Pythagorean theorem, PA squared minus PD squared is what?
That would be, okay, the hypotenuse P squared minus, okay. So that would be AY squared minus BY squared.
Yes, A plus Y squared minus B plus Y squared, right?
Yes.
Because PA is less than PD, okay, PA squared minus PD squared is what?
PA
Because of the
minus PD.
assumption.
Yes. That would be 1 minus 16, negative 15.
Negative 15. Or we can say 15 is equal to A plus Y squared minus B plus Y. A plus Y squared minus B plus Y squared, right? Now, if we use other Pythagorean, double Pythagorean theorem, we can say y squared minus y squared is y squared minus y squared.
PB squared minus PC squared is equal to, well, A squared minus B squared?
Yes, and PB squared minus PC squared is equal to what number?
PB minus PC 2, 4, minus 9, negative 5. Or 5, I guess.
Yes, negative 5. So we have these two equations. By using only these two equations, the rest is only algebra. By using these two equations, we can calculate this. Try.
Okay. 15 is equal to that. Negative 5 is equal to that.
Could you calculate?
Sorry, okay. Yeah, I got B 1/3.
Okay, let's check. From here, we can use that A squared minus B squared is negative 5, right? Y squared will cancel each other out, plus 2y, A minus B, right? Okay. So 2y, y times A minus B is what? It's 10, right?
Y times A minus
Because of
B. I think I might have solved it a different
different
way.
way. Okay, look, I expanded this and I've reached this. Agreed. Because a squared
Yeah.
minus b squared is negative 5. Y squared will cancel each other out. 2ya minus 2by, right? If we take
Yeah,
negative
I think
5
I've
to
seen.
this side, it's 5. 5 plus 15, 20. 20 over to 10. So this one is 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
And from this one, we know that a minus b times a plus b is negative 5, right?
Yes.
Okay,
I think.
so let's do something. Here, do you agree we can divide both numerator and denominator by a plus b? So it is 1 plus 2y over a plus b, right?
Yeah.
So if I divide, it would be what? Y over a plus b is negative 2. So I think in one part, we have killed this mistake. PB squared 4 minus P6 squared minus 9 is negative 5. Negative 5 is a squared minus b squared, right? This one is
Yes.
negative 15, sorry, because we didn't change. So it's negative 15. So now I can calculate it. So negative 5, when we take it to the left side, it's 5 minus 10 over 2 minus 5. So when we divide, it would be 1. So if you plug in, it's 1 over 1 plus 2, 1/3, and your answer. Understood my solution?
Yeah.